Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable HD audio for your HONOR Earbuds to Lite. To enable or disable spatial audio, you need to enable developer options. If you don't know how to enable developer options on your phone, you can check video at the hardware set info channel. We have it just for your device. Once you enable it, you cannot do this on the iPhone because there is no developer options on the iPhone. Okay, so after you enable developer options, go to the settings, then scroll down, click at the system, and in system at the bottom, at least on stock and right, we have developer options. You may have it at the top, it depends on the phone. Enter into developer options, and then you need to scroll down and you need to find HD audio. Right here, by the way, we have it. Also, you can use the search and you can write HD right here, and you will see HD audio, but only if you enable developer options, because as you can see it located in the developer options, and developer options by default hide on your phone. So you can tap at this line. Now, to disable developer options, you need to tap on time at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background. Once you disable the HD audio, you will now use SBC codec. What the most common codec, and all Bluetooth devices have it. Also, if you want to use another codec that SBC, you can enable developer options. And to enable developer options, you need to also tap on time at the slider, but if the slider have empty background. And once you did it, you can now swap between Bluetooth audio codecs. You can select AAC codec, this codec better than SBC. But you can also use SBC with developer option, with HD audio, it's up to you. But to use SBC, you can, well, as I said previously, just disable HD audio. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.